It's our anniversary.
Oh, what the hell's our note?
Bye.
Yes, I saw you. But sit down, you're going to eat first. You're going to eat first, right? Alright, clap hands, close eyes.
Bye.
After 3, 1, 2, 3. God is good. God is good. Let us thank Him for our food. Okay.
Yeah.
What you have for lunch? What are they having for lunch, Zaza?
Sit up, baby.
What are you having for lunch? What's that?
Sausage.
And what's this?
Well.
Okay. Very good.
Sausage.
Sausage and bread. You're going to get your own now.
What?
Fork, right, so eat up.
Bye-bye, babies. Bye-bye. You eating lunch? See you later. Bye, Sister Morris.
Alright, it's December 30,
It's our anniversary.
2020. I can harmonize.
Yeah, you want to go?
So don't
Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary.
You change the key.
Yes, so that you can fit in.
Oh, but I don't know the first part. I don't know the
Do you know what today is? That's all. Or you can
Alright,
sing that part with me, and then we can sing the other part.
So we're going to go unison. Do you know what day is?
Do you know what today is?
Do you know what it is? Alright.
Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and.
Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary.
Oh, that never sound good.
No.
Which key is it?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary.
Just look at it's our anniversary.
Anniversary.
It's our anniversary. Just look that.
It's our anniversary. It's our anniversary.
Just end no sound right. Again.
It's our anniversary.
Oh, what the hell's our note? And
Do you know
I have some for the start.
Dude!
I have to start. 1, 2, 3. Just go.
Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary.
Hey, no, it's still messing up. Again. One from top. 1, 2, 3, and.
Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary.
Almost. Again. 1, 2, 3.
Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary.
Wow, that last note. That's
Go
so
up.
nice. Ah, you do that. It's our anniversary.
But that's not the melody.
But it sounds sweet. It's our anniversary. Do that. So 1, 2, 3, and.
Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary. But forget it.
Oh yeah, today we're going on the road to eat some food. And you know the solar vibe. Because that's what we do. Eat food and hold vibes.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, so we just want to share today about how God has kept us for these 4 years.
Yep.
4 best years of Tina's life for sure. And they've been alright for me. I'm just joking. 4 best years of my life. From start to finish, we have seen the hand of God.
Yeah.
And we first of all want to tell him thanks, you know. And marriages still work. God still likes marriages. He still honors marriages.
Indeed. Yep.
And I've seen him bless me in ways that I don't know if I'll be blessed outside of a marriage. I mean, I am an incredible husband, I must say. I am pretty good.
Okay. I mean, I might roll my eyes at that. You know, really hammering yourself on the back there.
But I am
But
a
it's
pretty
true.
incredible
It's
husband.
true. You're pretty great. You're pretty great. I tell people all the time, I really, struck gold.
Really struck gold with this one.
Oh, shut it.
But yeah, from the start, I guess from when so we're talking about God in the marriage. So from when we were trying to get somewhere to live.
No. I want to talk before that because
We're talking about the marriage though.
we're talking about the marriage, yeah. But okay, fine. But for me,
you want to go?
Because for me, I finding you, it was unexpected because we had known each other, before, and we were kind of, we were just basically friends. And I was at the point in my life when I was wondering if marriage was really going to happen for me, as a lot of women who would have been the age around, in their mid to late 30s, maybe even their 40s, which is, I was in my 30s and wondering, okay, is this still gonna happen? And it was a beautiful, unexpected surprise when we had our first date after knowing each other for a while, for like 2 years, and the sparks just flew. I mean, the sparks really flew, and the sparks kept flying right throughout the whole dating and courtship, and which is why, we had discussed marriage, and we're back and forth, like every young couple. We wanted to make sure that certain things were in place. We wanted to make sure that we're both able to contribute financially to the marriage, to the whole setup.
The feds. Police. Hold on.
And now, Red.
Well, I did pay for the license today.
You have the people then received for the driver's license that expire from, I will not say how long ago, on your birthday. Anyway, back to the conversation.
Car seats are in the car though, so.
Yeah, you can depend on your baby them for savior. How many people is on?
Mm-hmm.
No?
Mm-hmm.
When they go home, you got them go home, you know?
Yeah, I'm going to share the car seats.
Seriously, them not check paper?
I'm going to want to talk to me.
Really? Them not talk to nobody else?
Yes, he is when everybody do.
They're not stopping everybody.
No, but he's vetting. He's like, you look suspicious. We don't look suspicious.
We look like we're on our way to somewhere. To decent location. My hair is still wet.
Afternoon, officer. Let's go.
So we can get back to the story.
Yeah. When you drive a station wagon, people do police don't trouble you. Yeah,
it depends on what kind of station we're going to. So
What kind of station we're going? Is a bad station we're going?
not, I wouldn't call the people them make and model bad, but I can think of, for example, a Probox.
That's the station we're going.
What is it?
Oh yeah, that's the station we're going.
Okay,
True.
right. Anyway, what was I saying? Where was I? Yeah. So I was. Initially, we were not at the point where we thought we were going to be able to get married and, financially sustain ourselves. We're still saving money at that point to have our wedding, to buy furniture.
Yeah, we had planned, like
All
we
of those
put on
things.
paper, like we had an Excel thing, because yeah, I'm kind of the stickler for keeping track of where money goes.
That's the accountant in him.
So I'm like, let's do a spreadsheet, and I'm going to have it on Google Drive for you to share your expenses as well, and when you use it, we could go so many places right now, because first of all, the way we approach money from before marriage was, when things got serious, was that we have tackled everything together. So there's no.
It wasn't just when things got serious, we got engaged.
Right, so I thought when things get serious.
There's a difference between getting serious and getting engaged, ain't it? When we got engaged, we started to merge accounts, bank accounts. Right.
Yes, I know what you're thinking. Wow, that's so risky. But I know her, she know me, and we trust each other in that level, to that degree from that time.
I mean, I'm not gonna let him go. At that point when we reached this out,
so
only death could have do us part at that point.
So basically, what we did, we
so like a stalker. We saw like a psycho.
We were basically just tackling things together. So alright, so there's no more her money, my money. And our philosophy on finance is that there is no your pay, my pay. Things that come in, whatever resources we have, will be shared to do or accomplish whatever task we have jointly. Because we're married, I mean, you're one. I don't see the point, as some people do it, but if it works for you, it works for you. You have your pay, I have my pay. It just feels kind of separated to me.
Yeah, for us, we were in agreement about how we were going to approach finances, and Paul being the more disciplined manager of money, it was basically agreed that he would handle finances, and the trust was there. The trust was there. So we were going to be putting everything together and working together and communicating and trusting each other to be good stewards of our financial resources.
Right, so we're planning on putting things on paper, saying, well, okay, we're going to need to buy this, buy that, have this, have that. And then, like out of nowhere, God in his foresight and his providence just bam, provided somewhere that was fully furnished. So we didn't have to be thinking about at that point any additional expense in terms of getting appliances or certain thing that we thought we lacked. It was just there for our use.
Yeah. We were, one of the things that kind of kept us from setting a marriage date, a wedding date, was finding a place to where we could live together. And we just found through a friend the perfect place, the perfect location. It was a lovely townhouse in a great community. It was already beautifully furnished. Rent.
Yeah, it was a giveaway.
Yeah, it was just.
It was somewhere.
The hand of God.
Yeah, you couldn't mistake it.
Yeah, we could not have orchestrated that. Where are you? Have a tour, have a trip to drive back area.
Alright.
We should have probably do drive Boulevard now.
Not too late.
Okay, back to the story, the apartment.
Right, so
The townhouse. The place.
so that happened, and it was like, that's all we were waiting for, guys, so go ahead and get married. So we did that, got married the same December.
Had a small, intimate wedding.
Very small wedding.
We never brought the bank, because we know so we have to live after.
Yeah,
We have some beautiful wedding photos that we can show you.
right, but it was a very small wedding.
We had like, what, 20 people?
20,
So much.
25. And here we are 4 years later.
Boom.
Boom. And it's all because of God. Every time persons may think that we're rich or what's the word? You know, well off. That might be a thing.
Yeah, that's the thing.
But honestly, everything will have a way to God. And He has opened doors that, again, is just unquestionable. That is Him at work.
And you know, I made an observation today, babe, that every anniversary we've had so far, there has been a milestone to celebrate. So, our first anniversary, we found out we were expecting the twins, Lila and Zara. And then on our second anniversary, we dedicated them to the Lord. We had our dedication at our church and had a beautiful event after. And then, well, there's this anniversary.
No, but that was the second anniversary. What about the third anniversary? This is the fourth.
The third anniversary. Oh, really? What did we do on our third anniversary?
You were the one who said that you have a pattern.
I completely forgot that.
Third anniversary was last year, 2019.
2019. What did we do on our third anniversary?
Went to a marriage retreat.
Oh, that's right. Yes.
But I don't think that's what you had in mind.
No, I wasn't what I had in mind. Scrap that. Except for last year. I would like to think that we're on a roll.
But maybe there was, I would just don't remember.
Yeah, maybe there was. The marriage retreat was pretty good. So, you know, maybe that was a milestone. Hi guys, so we've just had a lovely anniversary lunch. We had a great meal, we had a great time, it was good conversation, and
Belly full.
yeah, belly full, but you know, satisfied. So we just, you know, putting in our parting words now. We're gonna head home, pick up some ice cream, some Devon House ice cream on the way home, and just have a nice evening, you know, at home, relaxing.
Yeah, just a reminder of Ecclesiastes 4 verse 9. It says, 2 are better than 1 because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. Also, if 2 lie down together, they will keep warm. But how can one keep warm alone? Remember, keep Christ in a marriage, in a relationship. Without him, it can't work. And yeah, one love from the Reeds. Thanks for watching. As usual, share the content, subscribe if you haven't already, like it, and see you next time. Alright, bye.
Peace and blessings.